Hey lovelies! So I know you guys are always on the hunt for healthy snack ideas. So I've got a real treat for you. This is Abby from Abby's Kitchen.
Hello.
She is a fellow YouTuber and a registered dietitian.
Yes.
And today she is here to share one of her favorite healthy snacks.
We're gonna do protein bars 3 ways.
One is never enough.
One is never enough. You gotta switch it up.
She is going to be sharing her yummy recipes on our channel, and then I will be in her kitchen also sharing some energy ball recipes. So as soon as you're done watching this video, you have to head over to Abby's channel, take a look at our collaboration, and of course, while you're there, be sure to subscribe. Okay, we should mention that Abby is currently eating for 2.
Yes.
As you can see, we have a third guest joining us on today's video, but you're still working out every day.
I am, I know. I'm one of those weird unicorns that actually like working out. Even if it's just like, yoga or some kind of light Pilates or walking, it really does make you feel so much better to get moving. And then of course you get a yummy snack afterwards. So what's not to love?
Complain about that. Well, you are definitely an inspiration to us all.
So we're gonna do my favorite first. It's my chocolate banana peanut butter combo. My personal favorite because I'm a huge peanut butter banana fiend.
Love it. And this is all gonna happen in a food processor for the most part?
So easy. So this starts with some oat flour. You can make this gluten-free. It's so easy to make your own oat flour too, just by pulsing oats in the food processor. So really easy.
People don't realize that that's all oat flour really is, right?
It's all it is, right? So next I've got chocolate protein powder, some ground up flaxseed. I'm a huge fan of sneaking in flax wherever possible, especially as a pregnant woman, because fiber is your friend, but also lots of protein and omega-3s, so really, really good for you. Next, I've got some nice sticky dates. This is gonna help everything stick together and super yummy. And then I've got my natural peanut butter. Gotta get all the peanut butter in here.
And you could go seed butter if you wanted to keep this nut-free for the kids
Totally,
at school, or if you have that allergy or something.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So next I've got some maple syrup.
Amazing.
I'm a huge fan of maple. We are Canadian.
I was gonna say, it's the Canadian way to sweeten things with maple syrup.
It really is. We've got some beautiful golden raisins here. And I know raisins are controversial, so you can totally sub out some other kind of dried fruit if it's not for you. And then we're gonna pop that lid on and get it all processed together.
In my household, this is the kind of thing I would just eat with a spoon.
I know, I'm not.
Like, forget doing anything else with it. Oh my gosh.
This whole good.
Oh, so good.
All right, so we're gonna empty this into our bowl, and I'm going to add in some crushed up banana chips.
And then these are
a little bit of peanuts.
Half of that. Thank goodness you're here, because it takes some pipes to get this done. I know this story.
This is the workout, folks. This is the workout. I said I work out every day. I wasn't lying. I make protein bars and then I eat them. Okay, so we're gonna pack this down nice and tight into our parchment lined dish, and I'm gonna top it off with some more of those little peanuts.
See, that looks like something that I want to eat. I just want to take a spoon and have at it right now, but I will exercise patience. Only because we have company in the kitchen, and that's the polite thing to do.
And we're gonna pop it into the freezer. This will probably just take about 10, 15, 20 minutes to freeze and get ready to eat.
This looks very promising.
Yes. So we're just gonna give it a nice little slice.
See, that looks about right.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Okay. The crunch factor because of the banana strip.
I know, it's hard to talk because of all the peanut butter. We're like, it's good. That's all you need to know.
It actually tastes like peanut butter and chocolate fudge.
Okay, so next we're gonna do the tropical version. For some of us who need a vacation really badly, this is a nice way to channel those warm weather vibes.
All right, so you're about to transport my taste buds to the tropics.
Let's do it. So again, the base is pretty much the same. We're starting with some oat flour. This time we're gonna do some vanilla protein powder.
Vanilla protein powder is actually my jam.
Is it your style?
It
is that your go-to?
I love chocolate, but I am much more a vanilla fiend. And when you said tropics, like everything that's happening here is just right up my alley.
Right. Adding in that flaxseed again.
Good times.
Good times.
Good
Good times in the bathroom.
I was gonna say good for yoga.
Yeah. We've got our sticky dates to help bring everything together. And then this time we've got some cashew butter. I know, it's definitely a favorite of mine. And we're gonna add some maple syrup, and then we're gonna pop that lid on and get it all processed together. All right, now I'm gonna put this into our bowl.
So you're back to your workout.
Back to the workout. This time we're adding the dried mango. I'm obsessed with this stuff.
Good.
And I'm gonna add a little bit of our coconut. The rest we're gonna pop on top.
We toasted these just before we got started, and everything smells like the tropics. I
Yep.
am so into it.
I know. And now we're just gonna pack this down nice and tight into our parchment lined dish. And I'm gonna top it off with a little bit more toasted coconut.
Working it.
Look how good that looks.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's pop these guys in the freezer.
Excellent.
And they are ready to eat.
Oh my gosh, Abby, these look incredible. I can seriously taste the sunshine already.
Finally, we're gonna do my chocolate cherry almond bars. So it's basically like having Black Forest cake, but in a protein bar.
That's a lot of good
a lot of
happening
good stuff
in
happening.
one food
Yeah.
processor.
So again, starting with the oat flour, we're doing the protein powder chocolate version this time. We've got the ground flaxseed again. We've got our sticky dates. And then we've got some natural almond butter.
Speaking of sticky,
If you want to not talk after, just eat a lot of nut butter. More maple.
mm-hmm.
And then we get to blitz this baby up. All right, so pop it into a bowl and we're gonna break that up nice and fine. And we're gonna fold in some dried cherries. I like the tart ones. And also some sliced almonds. And then we're gonna pack it down nice and tight into our parchment lined dish.
Okay,
Right.
see, that is looking and smelling divine as well.
We're just gonna put a little bit of these almonds on top and pop it in the freezer for about 15-20 minutes to set up.
Oh my gosh, those are perfect.
Yep. Wanna give them a little drizzle?
I was born to drizzle
were
chocolate
born to
on
drizzle,
things.
That looks so good.
Oh my gosh.
Chocolate, cherries, almonds,
That's just
kind of all the best things in life.
Guys, you have to try these, seriously. If you do, be sure to tweet us or Instagram us a photo. Of course, now that you've watched this tasty video, you have to head over to Abby's channel, where I am making some really yummy energy balls that are
So excited.
also perfect post-workout. And they are totally no bake, which is great. We all love
We love no bake.
Don't have to cook. And finally, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, because
Yes.
there's lots more deliciousness where this came from.
Awesome. Thanks so much.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm like, you're leaving the protein bars, right? Cheers.
We'll see. We'll share.